Hello. Thanks guys for being here with us today for this webinar. And the purpose of this webinar is to go through all the new updates that we have been working on. During the 2 months that for which our campaign was live. So I was going through some discussions, etc., and I could see that some people were not clear about what Agile can do. Like some of the people were confused, like if Agile can do time tracking, etc. So it looks like people are not clear about all the features of Agile. So I will give a quick overview of all the features we have and what you can do with Agile. It will just take a minute or two, and then we will move towards the updates. So I'll start sharing my screen. So starting with the CRM, at the start we have CRM. You can manage your clients, you can manage your leads in the CRM. You can import them through CSV, so you don't have to add them manually. If you are coming from another tool, or if you have your lead, etc., in a CSV, you can import them very easily. Then comes, and each client that you add to the system will have their own dedicated portal. To use the portal, you just need to add the client in the system, and you'll use an email and password for them. And the way you log into the system, they can log into the system similarly. The same login page will be used by clients. They will just need to use their own email and password, and we will redirect them to their portal. So using portal, inviting them to portal is very easy. You just need to create a client. You can send them invite right away, or you will have an option always here to invite them again and again. So they will get the details on their email. The next comes the HRM, and with the HRM, at first is the team. You can manage your employees and teammates here. Employees and team, people were confused about employees and teammates, if they are same or not. They are exactly same thing. We just changed the name of employees to teammates so that people are less offended. Some people don't like this term employees, so we change it to teammates. And you can manage designations, departments. You can manage, it's like a basic entire HRM is there. You can manage attendance, you can manage holidays, leaves, even payroll and salaries, etc. Or payroll is going to be integrated with TransferWise, so you can do the payouts too with it. Next comes our project management. Some people were asking if we have Kanban boards in Agile. So yes, we do have Kanban board. We do not have Kanban board for each project that is being requested by the users. So we will be adding Kanban for each project. So with the projects and tasks, you have task board, you have task calendar. Task board is actually Kanban board. Then comes the finance. You can create estimates, you can create invoices, you can create payments, you can create expenses, and even credit notes. You can credit note convert invoice into credit note anytime. So people were confused about this feature too. So yes, we do have the credit notes option. Then come the contracts. We do have the contracts, and people were asking if we can give the option for we can track the IP when the contract is signed. So yes, we added that feature. Now IP is tracked while signing the contract. Also, the contract from company side is the signature from company side was missing. Like your client was able to sign it, but the signature from someone from the company was missing. So we added an option for that too. We have proposals. We recently introduced a new proposal builder. So Agile has proposal builder. You can create proposals easily and get them signed by your clients. Then comes the timesheets. You can create timesheet invoices. You can maintain time logs of your teammates, employees. Then comes the ticket. We do have a basic ticket support feature. You can create tickets, your clients can request tickets. Then comes the chat. You can chat with your employees as well as your clients. Clients can chat with you. So a quick collaboration can be through our chat feature. We do send email notifications whenever someone receives a chat message. So they can log into portal and check their messages, etc. We have events feature, and then we have announcements. We recently forms are being requested, so Agile has forms available now, and these items, some people were asking if clients can purchase these items from the portal. So yes, if you create a product or item and you set option allowed to purchase to yes, so they can purchase from their portal as well. So this is a quick overview of the features we have right now. And then some people were asking if if like they wanted to restrict if employee can mark attendance through a specific IP within a specific radius, so that they are not marking their attendance while sitting in the home. So we do have those restrictions as well. If you go to the attendance settings, so yes, you can restrict the IP, you can restrict them with the location radius. So you can set the radius, you can set the IP. So if they are not logging in or clocking in from that IP or within that radius, attendance won't be marked. So yes, we do have that feature as well. Next thing was people were confused if Agile can be used for time tracking. So you can see this option very clearly in the header. Agile can definitely be used for the time tracking. This time tracker is available for the admins as well as this time tracker is available for all the employees. So Agile has a dedicated client portal. It has a dedicated employee portal. So employees can log into their portal and manage everything related to them, and clients can log into their portal and manage everything related to them. They both need to log in through our login page. There's not a specific login page for clients or employees, so they just need to use their email and password, and we will redirect them to their respective portal. So this was a quick overview of what we have. So people were confused about it, so I thought I should go over it quickly. Now, the new feature that we have been working on for during the last 2 months, or I will go through them one by one. So first is the login page customization. Login page customization will be your portal customization that you can white label entirely. This is the login page, and people were asking if we can. there were lots of requests if we can change the colors, branding, this image, etc. So yes, we introduced this feature. You can go to settings, you can go to custom domain settings. Where do we have custom domain settings? So if you have configured a custom domain, if you have white labeled the account, you will see the options here. You can make this login page your own. You can set the logo. You can set the favicon. You can set the login background image. You can set the text. Even there's an action button. We have we are not displaying it right now, but you can set an action button here. You can change its text, etc. And you can also apply custom CSS to the login page. So if something is not available in these options, if something is not available here, you can always apply a custom CSS. Like we don't have option to change this color of this button in the setting. So if you know a little CSS, you can use CSS to change color of this button. People have already used CSS to change these things. So this will entirely white label your portal, and your client won't see anything about Agile, not our colors, not our favicon, not our logo. Next comes the email template design customization. So there were lots of requests like email template design. We were using some default colors. So people were not happy about it. They wanted to use their own branding in the emails. So we introduced that feature too. If you go to email templates, the first tab will show you, will give you the options to customize your entire email. Like you can change the header background color, you can change the body background color, you can change text color, you can change footer background, you can change footer text color, and even you can manage the width of the body of the email as well as the width of the logo. You can set it to 100. It should be in percentages. We have mentioned that this is percent, so it can be 100%, 50%. You can. We do understand there should be a preview, so that you can make changes here and preview it how it looks. But right now we don't have preview, so you just need to send a test email and check it out after making the changes. The next comes Lemless integration. So we do have now Lemless integrated within the system. If you go to Lemless, you can put your Lemless API key here. You can get the campaigns, and then you can sync to Lemlist and sync from Lemlist. If you sync from Lemlist, we will take all the contacts from Lemlist campaign and add it to your account as your leads. And if you sync to Lemlist, we will shift all your leads to that campaign, the campaign you select here, to that campaign in Lemlist. So we will be moving your leads to the Lemlist. So you can just click sync and your campaigns will be moved to Lemlist. So you can manage your leads here. You can send them to Lemlist. You can start a cold outreach campaign there, and you can do the email automation. Lots of people were asking about if we support email automation, email sequences, etc. So we think we are not going to do this feature. We are not going to add email automation features in Agile, but we already integrate with two email automation integrations apps. They are Lemlist and Mailshake. So we already integrate with them. Next comes the new proposal builder for 400 plus ready-made blocks. We have new proposal builder here. We have also added 4 ready-made blocks for you. And this is the area where you can use the chat script. I will come to this later. So here we have our proposal builder. So here you can see we have all the blocks here. You can use, we have 400 plus ready-made blocks here, so you can use any of them, drag and drop, do all the customizations you want to do, edit it here. And we have a complete demo of it on our YouTube channel where Danish went through everything. So you can go over that. It's available on our YouTube channel. So we have lots of blocks here. You can drag and drop them and you can edit them. You can also use a pre-made template here. If you click on choose template, you will see there are 4 templates available. So we can just pull one and use it. It's because of the dot theme, it's not looking good. So we can, if we can turn it off, it will start this. Let me change it first. Let me show it again. Because of the dot theme, it wasn't looking that good. So now it's good. So you can use a predefined template and you can always edit it with anything you want to add to it. You have all the control. You have control about everything here. You can change the images, you can change fonts, families, colors, etc. Everything. So this will make things very easy for you. So our previous proposal builder was not that easy to use, and it wasn't that helpful. So we decided to change it. And this new email builder, proposal builder, I personally like it very much. Next comes the proposal templates. I already showed you the templates we have. We have right now 4 templates available. You can use any of them. And we are always adding more templates here. And we have also plans to create an entire proposal template library. And you can pull templates from that and use them. We just want you to close more deals and make more sales with Agile. So next feature is the form builder. This was one of the most requested feature. People wanted to use forms to create embeddable forms to capture leads, to capture clients information, or for public client sign up. So yes, we have now forms in Agile, and they support client lead creation, they support client creation, they support ticket creation, and we have also general form submission. So you can even create survey forms through it. So if we go to the forms creation, we have option what you need to do, what the system should do after a form is submitted. So you can create a lead, you can create a client, you can create a ticket, or you can just keep it as general entry. We have also an option, what should we do after submission is successful. So you have options for, you can show a success message, or you can redirect them to some specific page. And once you have created a form, you will get an embed code, and you can embed it anywhere, in any website, in a simple HTML website, in WordPress, Wix, everywhere. You will also get a white label public form link, so you can share this with your clients as well and get the data that you want. So this link is totally white label. If I'm accessing the system from my clients.separate.com, this link will be white labeled. So you can use this public form, public link of the form as well to capture the data. So once you have your submissions, you just need to go to the action button, click on submission, and we have all the submissions here available. You can view the details of the submissions, and you can delete them if you don't need them anymore. So this is a form. So these forms can be used for almost any purpose that you want to do. You can even, we also have requests for a work request feature, so that clients can request a work. So even this form can be used, you can use this and send it to the client, and they can request a form, request some work through this form. If you want a file, there's a file request feature that is being asked, so you can use this form to request file as well. And you can now, this form, you can embed this public form into some website, and when someone signs up in this form on some other website, that client will be directly created in Agile. So you can use now public forms to create leads, to create clients as well in system. So public signups for clients are available now. People were asking about it. Next comes live chat and proposals. So we have integrated, this is a big update. We have integrated like 14 live chat apps within the system with Agile. You can see them by going to settings. So you can see here, there are 14 new live chat apps integrations. So you can integrate all of these apps. Like we have intercom, so we just need to go to the intercom, and you have a script from intercom that you need to paste here, and it will get integrated. So once you paste that script here, we will start showing this live chat feature on the proposals, estimates, as well as on contracts. So you can chat and communicate with your clients on proposals and estimates and close more deals. So you will also have the option to use a custom chat script while creating a estimate, contract, or proposal. So integrating any of them is so easy. You just need to click on integrate now. You just need to copy the script here and click submit, and rest will be taken care of. So let's say we have a proposal here, and you will see an option when we create a proposal. You'll see the option here. So we will by default use the script of the integration that you are using. If you are using some of the integration from the page that I showed you now, that script will be shown here by default. If you want to change it, you can change it always. You can use any custom script here for live chat. So you can integrate Agiled with now almost any live chat application and use that live chat option on your proposals. We also have a complete demo of this on our YouTube channel. So you can go to our YouTube channel and go through the video we have for it. Let me show you how it looks on the proposals. So let's say we have a proposal here. This is the proposal, the client can see it. You see we have this option here now. So any chat script that you will add, you will have the live chat option here, and you can chat with the clients. Next comes, we have 5 new invoice templates available. So people are requesting some new templates, simpler ones. So we added 5 more for them, for all of our users. You can see them here. So 5 more templates have been added now. So you can use any of them to send invoices to your clients. We have tried to keep them simpler because people were asking for simple templates. Next comes Molly Gateway integration. Our EU customers were requesting for Molly integration so that they can receive payments through Molly. So we have integrated Molly as well. You just need to copy and paste the API Molly API key here and turn this status to on, click save, and Molly payment gateway will start appearing on the invoices. So you can now start receiving payments through Molly. I'm using a test API key right now, so you need to use your live key here. Then comes 5 new languages support. We have introduced 5 new languages in the system. You can see we have introduced Norwegian, Swedish, Dutch, German, and even Italian. And we are working on more. So we could do this only because of the help of our community. And if you want more languages in the system, you can reach out to support. And we'll need your help, and we can integrate that language in the system. We want more and more languages in the system to make Agile more and more international and more usable for our audience. So we also improved the existing languages that we have in the systems. People were reporting that the keywords are not right and the text is not right. So with the help of community, we improved our existing languages as well. Then we made our reseller program live. If you have not already applied for the reseller program, you can apply for it. We have this option of this application form on our website. So you can apply for our reseller program. Through a seller program, you can white label Agile and resell it to your clients. So you just need to apply here, and we will try to approve your application within 24 hours. You just need to be on business plan or AppSumo plan to be eligible for this reseller program. So once your account is approved, you will see this option login as reseller, login as reseller in your account. And you can create sub accounts or companies that you want to resell to your clients here. You can manage them. You can even delete them, edit them, redeem more codes to their account, and impersonate them. So to create a company, you need to have AppSumo codes stacked in your account. So to stack AppSumo code in a reseller account, you just need to go to billing. When you are logged in as reseller, you need to go to billing and go to redeem AppSumo codes. You just need to put it here and click redeem. So once you have redeemed codes, you will see the option here, stack codes, use codes. You'll see the count here. So when you are trying to create a company, you will have to use a AppSumo code here. You can use the AppSumo code here and then create the company. And you need to put the email and password here for your client that they will need to use. Use to log in. So this will be email and password for their admin account. So once a company is created, you can stack more codes on their account. You just need to redeem this, click on this redeem. And for this company, you can now stack more codes. So it will be similar to your, it will act similarly to your own account. Like if you stack 2 codes in your account, you get 15 employees and 200 GB. So if you stack 2 codes to your client company, they will also get 15 employees and 200 GB. So before you hand over keys to them, you will need to white label the account so they don't know about Agile. So you need to impersonate the account, and we will log into you. We will log in you to their account as an admin. So you can go to the settings, white label the account, and then hand over them the keys they need to log into their account. We don't show this billing option, and this custom domain option is only shown when you as a reseller owner impersonate the account. We don't show this option to your clients. So they cannot change the domain and they don't see the billing option. So they will never know about AppSumo. And you can use Agile with a different name in a white label form to your clients. So the next feature is we launched our affiliate program as well. So you can go to our website and become an affiliate with us, and you can earn 30% recurring commission on every paid referral. So for the lifetime of customers, till they are on a paying subscription with us, you'll keep getting this 30% recurring commission. So you can apply for that. There are no prerequisites for it, and there's no eligibility criteria. You can just apply it. You'll start referring Agile to your to people or to your lists. Next is ensured HIPAA compliance. HIPAA compliance was also one of the most requested things. So we have ensured HIPAA compliance, and we are totally HIPAA compliant now. And we have also started signing the agreement. So you can just reach out to support and we'll do it for you. Next comes the IP tracking while doing online signature. So people had requested this feature as well. So now if a signature, if an estimate is accepted or if a contract is signed, we always track the IP. Your clients use, I don't have an unsigned contract. Let's go for a proposal. So if they try to sign the proposal now or estimate or contract, their IP will be automatically tracked. So for all the signatures, this IP is not tracked. Also, when you download the document, the contract, the proposal, or the estimate, we already have signature added to it. But the thing missing that was missing was the signature was only from one party, from your client. So people were asking if there should be signature from us too, from the company too. So you can now upload your signature by going to your settings. You can upload your signature and we'll show you this signature on the documents as well. So now there will be signature by both parties. Also, now you can create people. There were also requests for custom fields on invoices and estimates. So we already have custom field. We already had custom fields available for projects, leads, and clients. But now we have also added them for invoices and contracts. So if you go to custom fields option in the settings, when you try to add a field, you will see this option. In the type drop down, you will see you want to create it for invoice or estimate. So if you don't see this option, please reach out to support and we will enable this option for you. So I have already created these two custom fields for invoice and my estimate. So if I create an invoice, these options will start showing there. So there's no limit on the custom fields. You can create as many custom fields as you want. You see this is a custom field and it now appears on the invoice. So you can add some value in it. It will be shown to the client. It will be also shown on the PDF document. If we go to the estimate, if we try to create an estimate, so this additional info is a custom field that is appearing now on the estimate. So you can use custom fields for both client, estimates and invoices now. Next is the timesheet invoices. So we have also introduced this feature to create timesheet invoices. To create, see we have these two time logs here, and if to create a timesheet invoice, you just need to go to the time logs or timesheet page and create this create invoice button. Click this create invoice button, and we will automatically fetch all the time logs that are there. Like there were two logs we could see on the timesheet pages. So when we created an invoice for it, we will automatically, these are automatically fetched. You can apply taxes, etc. to them. Also, you can change the duration of the timesheet from here, from and to, or you can change the project here, and we will fetch those details for you. So now you don't need to copy and paste all the logs in an invoice and then send it to your client. You can create a time sheet invoice with just few clicks. We have now time tracking endpoints in our public API. So you can log your time through the API as well. This was also being requested, so we added this feature too. This is our API documentation. So if you go to the time logs, you can see the details for it and schema, etc. You just need to start date, end date, start time and end time, etc. for it. You need to pass it. These are mandatory fields with the red mark. And we have this time log endpoint. You can post your logs to it, as well as you can send a get call to retrieve your logs. This ID is ID of the project. So for each project, you can get the entire timesheet. Next thing is custom field support in the public API. So now our public API also supports custom fields. So previously you are not able to send the custom fields data through the API, but now we do support that. So now you can send this. If you go to the leads, let's say we have support of custom fields for leads, clients, invoices, and estimates in API. So if you go to the leads, you can see you can post custom fields with the leads. In the post request, you can include custom field. You just need to make sure that you use the label of the custom field in lowercase with spaces replaced by underscore. Let's say if the label of the field was, let's say in our system, we had this custom field in system for invoices. Purchase order number. So if you want to pass this custom field to the API in the post request, you just need to use purchase order number in the lowercase, and spaces should be replaced by underscore. So it will be something like this. It will be something like this. So you can pass, you just need to use the label of the custom field, convert it into lowercase, and replace the spaces with the underscore. We also have added sticky notes options for you. So they are available on the dashboard page. So you can add your quick notes here. You can choose color for them. And now you will see this sticky note here. So you can create your sticky notes here. So next I will go through what's coming up next in Agile. So if we go to the integration page, you will see we already have Zero and QuickBooks coming in the coming soon section. So these are QuickBooks is in the testing mode, so we are testing it and we are making some improvements to it, as this is one of the most sensitive integration. So we need to be careful about it. So it's being taken care of. And Zero is almost, the development is complete. So it will be moved to testing them, and we will make them both live very soon. We would also like not just to, we would also like to add more languages. So we are already working on 2 to 3 languages, and we are talking to the community for about them. So if you want more languages in the system, you can reach out to support, and we will add those languages. The only issue is we prefer to support LTR languages and not RTL languages, because they won't work very good with the system. So the next feature is coming is the file manager. This is one of the most, this is also one of the most requested features. So people want to share files with clients, and they want clients to share files with them without the requirement of a project. So they want it, they shouldn't have this requirement to create a project and then share the files. So for that we need file manager. So we are working on a very detailed file manager with permissions, etc. So it will be made live very soon. The next important thing for our clients is onboarding flows for their clients. So that will be made live soon. Authorized.net integration is coming as well. And we do understand, and we have lots of feedback about it, that our CRM needs improvements and our project management needs improvements. Like our Kanban needs improvements. We need to add Kanban for each project. And for CRM, we need to add private notes for our clients. We need to add tasks for clients. And we also need to add that company and account and then contact view in the CRM. So we are working on all that. So our CRM and project improvement is on our priority list. So we are working on them on urgent basis, and it will be made live soon. So all the required CRM and project management, we will be following the industry standards, so we can improve the experience here, and you can get lots of more value through Agile. Next come the multi-brand features. So this is also being requested. So this is we are also working on it. So it will be it's also coming very soon. You will be able to manage multiple brands under one account. So you can just switch between the brands. It will be like multiple workspaces. But the thing to mention here that is important is each brand will have its own billing. So you cannot share the employee limits between the brands, and you cannot share other things between the brand. It will be just two different companies with their own billing managed under one master account. So there's one thing else that is important, that is the packages in the proposals. So we do understand that we need them in the proposal builder. So we are working on them. And people also want to communicate with their clients through email and keep track of them. So we are working on an email client so that you can send emails to your, this is part of the CRM improvement, so that you can send emails to your clients, and also you can keep track of all the communication you had with your clients. So we are working on it. Next comes the invoice customization. We will give you the option to customize the color, etc. of branding, etc. of the invoice. So you will be able to create your own invoice template, in fact. The other thing is payroll. Right now, we do have this payroll option in the system, but you cannot pay through the system to your employees or your teammates. So this is already in development. We are integrating payroll with TransferWise, so you can do the payouts and transfer the salaries directly through Agile. The next important thing is that that is in progress is the contract proposal forms templates library. So templates library for almost everything, so that you can just go and fetch a template and use it. We are trying to create more and more value for our community. The other thing is the follow-ups on the invoices, automated follow-ups. So if your client has not responded, etc., you will be able to set the configuration here, and system Agile will send automated follow-ups and reminders for you. The next comes, this is for tracking. This is for status tracking. Like if your invoice, your client has seen the invoice, they have clicked the invoice, if they had opened the proposal, have viewed the proposals. So all the life cycle, we will be tracking the life cycle of what's happening with your invoice, estimated proposal, and contract. So we will be tracking those statuses for you, so that you can have a better overview of what's happening with your proposal. And if a client has not already opened, you can also send automated. You will be able to send automated reminders, as well as you can send them. You can send them a manual reminder. So this is all from my end. So I went through all the features that we have worked on during our campaign was live, and these are our priority list. There's lots more, as well as in the pipeline. You can see our roadmap here. It's a very busy roadmap right now. So these are all the things that we have deployed. We are trying to be as fast with the development as we can. And Shopify integration is coming live soon. It's in the testing. And the other things are in development. And here's what we have planned for you. So a lot of exciting things are coming very soon to Agile. So we are trying to create lots of value for you, and it's our #1 priority. So I will ask Danish if he had answered all the questions that we have pending. Okay, so that's all from my end. I will now stop sharing my screen, and we have answered all the questions. What? Just a second. Okay, so that's all from our end, and our deal is ending in 2 days. So you need to hurry up and grab as many deals code you want to you can, and we just have 2 more days remaining with the deal now. So you can stack your codes in your account. You can also stack your codes in your reseller account, and you can resell them later. Also, we have a rewards program for you. We have sent multiple invoices, emails for that. So you don't forget your rewards and do check them. And you just need to review and get your rewards from us. So if you have any questions, you can ask. And if you're done with the questions, we can end this webinar now. You don't have any questions? Yes, there's a question that if we are going to create product pages. So yes, we are going to create product pages. It will be like a landing page. We'll introduce a builder with it. So you will be able to create a product page with all the details, etc. So your clients will be able to directly buy from that page. So yes, we will introduce a builder for product pages. So another question is if we are going to integrate with Microsoft 365. Yes, we are going to integrate with that down the road. Zakaria is asking about the project templates. Yes, we already have that option. You can create project templates with the task. Only thing that is missing in the project templates is the milestones. So we are working on to add milestones in the project templates. Is a one-time payment possible for Sumo links after the AppSumo deal is over? We have 2 add-ons available for Sumo links. So you can buy more storage, and you can get 100 GB more storage with the $70 add-on, and you can get more employees with a $99 add-on. But once the deal is over, you won't be able to buy codes. So you need to make sure you stack enough codes before the deal is over. Can we create additional links in the sidebar menu to other third-party software? It's not possible right now, but we will see if we can do this. We will definitely be giving the menu customization offer for our clients, but we will see if we can enable this option on the admin side as well. But yes, for the client side, it's coming. Zakaria says, do you have any guide to share for the app? Yes, you can go to our YouTube channel for all the help, as well as you can go to help.agile.app. So we have documentation there for help documents there for everything. When will deal finish for AppSumo Plus members? For Plus members, it's going to end on first. So Plus members will have 3 more days. For general audience, it's going to end after 2 days. We have another question. Is there an end date to leave the review for rewards? I just need some more time. You can do it within 2 weeks. There's not a quick deadline for it. So 2 weeks should be. You can review it within 2 weeks and cash your rewards. Dave says, I would like to set up multiple organizations, each of which might have 100 customers that they provide service. Can I do this with them? Yes, you can do this. You can do this with the reseller program if they are your clients. And if you want, if these are your own organizations, you can use, you can create right now to multiple accounts. And once our multi-brand feature is live, we will merge your accounts under one master account. So yes, you can do it. Steve says, are you going to offer SMS notifications? If so, when would this be? Yes, we are going to integrate SMS notifications. We cannot give a fixed timeline about that, but we'll try to integrate them soon, because this is part of CRM improvement as well. Yes, if you Dave says, can I get reseller rights with AppSumo codes? Yes, you have the reseller rights if you are on an AppSumo plan. You just need to be on AppSumo plan or business plan. So Sumo links are all on our AppSumo plan. So they all have reseller rights. So they just need to apply. We have a link in the footer of our website. So you just need to apply for it. We will improve your account within few hours, and then you can stack your code in the reseller account. You can even stack all your code in the admin account, and you can ask support to move those codes to your reseller account. So if your reseller account is not approved yet, you can stack codes in your admin account, and then you can ask support to move them to your reseller account. So looks like we don't have more questions. Thank you. Okay, so we have one more question. Why does the business plan have only 30 GB? Are you planning to create this in future for your monthly payment? We will see this. We will discuss it to see if we can do that. If you have any more questions, please let me know so that I can answer them. Looks like we are done with the questions. Yes, we don't have any more questions. Thanks so much, everybody, for being here with us for this webinar. I hope I was able to give an okay demo of everything we added to the system. And I will keep communicating with you through email, and we'll keep seeing you in another videos and updates, everything. We love you. You are awesome. Thank you so much for being here. Take care, everybody.